Hi traders, good morning. This is Forex Nelson. I'm back again doing another trade today, and today is April the 16th. I took the trade about 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes ago in this general area right here. Followed my pip trigger rules that I teach in the training videos. Everything lined up and it was saying to sell. So that's exactly what I did. I sold it. And now it has some room to go. Let's see on the 30 minutes. Let's go a little bit higher. Has room to go down to the ADR, which is about 10 more pips. And also down here, which is around 22, 23 pips. So now all it is a waiting game. And you have to exercise patience. Have my default 20 pips, which is right here. And I'm trying to grab some more pips. To the ADR is 20, and down to here is around 34. But I'll close it out somewhere probably around 20 to 30 pips, whatever I can get. So I just keep an eye on it and manage the trade. So I'll report back shortly. Forex Nelson is back and I'm still in the trade. It's moving slowly, but it's going in my favor. Here's the ADR low. Once price hits that, it'll turn a thick red in color, and this arrow will move over. Forex Nelson is back, and it just, after a very small pullback here, it came back and dropped like in 2 seconds, and it hit my ADR, and it just turned thick red, which is what I want to see. Still has room to go. There's your ADR, and it looks like it's working its way down for about another maybe around 12, 15 pips. For sure I'll close the trade because there will be a bounce in this area. I'll just put a line in here so that I'll be able to keep an eye on that line. Go back to the 5 minutes and see what's happening. There's the line right there. Again, it's just a waiting game and you have to be patient. Love the pip trigger. Produces great results every day for me. Highly recommend you get your hands on the pip trigger. Forex Nelson is back. Decided to close the trade as I saw a big pin bar here and it's bouncing off of the ADR right here. So for my first trade of the day, I took the trade here with my 20 pip stop, and I ended up getting 7 pips. So that's just the way the market moves. Now I know it can break through here and keep going down, but that's okay. I'd rather end up with a positive trade than turning it into a negative trade. Now if your trading system is not producing high level of success like my pip trigger is, then I suggest you get your hands on the pip trigger. If you look right below this video, you'll see a write-up plus much more. Similar to this is the pip trigger full package. Charge $250 for it. You'll get an exact copy of my pip trigger on your platform. Can go on any MT4 platform. Now basically you're buying just one pip trigger, and I throw in 12 versions of my pip trigger. I've been building them, making them for many years now, and my 12 versions, the best versions of my pip trigger, I throw in as a bonus. So that actually works out to $20 for each one of my pip triggers. It's quite cheap actually. Now there is 20 gigabytes of training videos, so that works out to 360 training videos for my pip trigger system, and I throw in 20 bonus videos. Now for you traders who like to read, I have a lot of PDF books and a lot of Word documents which should help your trading and education moving forward. Now there are 15 MT4 templates along with my 21 custom indicators and 4 of my meters. Looks like I got out of the trade at a pretty good time. So you have to make a judgment call and also look to see where you're at, including the ADR many times will act as support. Now this can easily bounce up to about here somewhere or even here somewhere, hook around and then break through the bottom. And you never know, if I get a reversal sell signal again, everything is looking good, I can sell it again. But we'll see how that pans out. So there's many ways to trade, and I do a lot of advanced training, a lot of tips and tricks, which surely it really should help your trading. So if you're interested in a pip trigger, all you got to do is get in touch with me. My phone number is down here at the bottom left side, and if you live too far, just send me an email. And of course, I do prefer Skype, and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session. That's right, you heard me correctly, I'll give you a free session. Last guy I talked to, it was about 2 hours. I gave him a lot of tips and tricks, and he really appreciated it. And I did not even charge for that. It's a free session. And you never know, it should help your trading. So that just about wraps up this video. And speaking about this video, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next video and trade, happy trading.